it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join Dave and I today as we squash your hunger pains away and show you how to make spaghetti squash stuffed with blue cheese, bacon, and spinach. Only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd.
And I'm Dave.
And welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week, as I said, Dave and I are teaming up to show you how to squash your hunger pains away. Tell me what we're doing today.
We are making spaghetti squash stuffed with bacon, spinach, garlic, and mushrooms, and a little bit of blue cheese on top.
Sounds really, really good. And it's also healthy too, isn't it?
It is a keto-friendly recipe, yes.
So if you're ready,
then let's have some fun.
Alright, Dave, I see we got our spaghetti squash here. What's going on?
Yeah, the first thing we're going to do to make our spaghetti squash is we're going to cut it open. So what I'm going to do first is cut the stem off of it if I can here.
Okay. Let's say our
helps to have a really sharp knife.
Which I think you...
Makes it easier to cut. And then we have to cut this open, which is going to be a tough thing to do here by the looks of it.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. It seems to be cutting open. Okay, into two pieces.
Okay.
One is a little bigger than the other. That's okay. And then we're going to get out all the seeds from in here. We got to get out the seeds from inside.
Okay.
Got myself a scoop. That seems to be working pretty well. Scoop out all the seeds.
Okay. Now, have you ever had spaghetti squash before?
You know what? I've never had it. This will be a first.
Yeah, I think it's the first time for both of us having this.
Yeah, we're going to have it today. Get some of this out of here. Harder than I thought it would be, but we'll get it out.
Yeah, make it work here.
Yeah, and then we'll do the same thing with the other one.
Okay, are we putting it in the oven then? Yeah,
we're going to stick this in the oven, but not just yet.
Okay.
Okay, we're just going to get these seeds out of here first.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it then.
Okay.
Alright, to go ahead and get our spaghetti squash here ready for the oven, what we're going to do is, I have some oil here. I'm just going to take it and coat the insides of them here really well. Don't have to be too fancy with any of this. Just make sure you get nice and covered. As many of you guys know at home, I tend to be a bit of a bull in a china shop with stuff like this. So just want to make sure it gets nice and covered here. I think that one's looking pretty good. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, that's looking great, yeah.
And then
the other one the same.
Coat this really well.
Okay.
I think that's looking pretty good there. What do you think?
I think that's looking good.
Okay, and then I'm just going to take some salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of coat it. Don't have to be particularly fancy with it.
Okay.
And our pepper.
That's plenty, yeah.
Yeah, I guess a little does go a long way with that.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven here for 45 minutes at 400 degrees.
Sounds good.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it.
Okay, well, the next thing we need here is some bacon. So I'm going to turn my skillet up, and we're going to throw some thick cut bacon in here. I got about 6 slices here. I cut them in half to make them easier to work with, because we're just going to cut them down anyway. And we'll let these cook. Okay, looks like our bacon is done here. I'm going to take this up. That's looking good.
Nice and crispy.
Oh, it's nice and crispy, absolutely.
Alright, now that Dave has cooked off the bacon, let's go ahead and we're going to make about 2 cups worth of mushrooms here in our pan that we already have the bacon already in. And to that we're going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. Try to get all the minced garlic out of here. And we're just going to cook this off here for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, Dave, what do you like about sauteed mushrooms?
They are very tender and have a lot of flavor to them.
Yes. Yeah, I definitely think sauteing your mushrooms adds that little extra oomph to any dish.
Right.
Just my personal opinion, but you know. Alright, our mushrooms and garlic is looking awesome. So to that, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of baby spinach here to our mix here. And I believe, Dave, you said we're going to cook this until the spinach is wilted?
Yes. Crumble the bacon in with the spinach.
Yes, and then our bacon here, just go ahead and just kind of break it down into tinier pieces. You don't have to be especially particular with it. Yeah. Oh, that spinach. Look at the color on that spinach, Dave.
That's looking great.
Yes, that was looking awesome. That's definitely some nice rich green color here. Alright, and looks like you got the bacon
All
on
the rest of the bacon in there.
We're just going to kind of work everything in.
Okay.
Until the spinach is nice and wilted.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scoop out the flesh out of our spaghetti squash. Oh, look at that. It's like angel hair.
Oh, wow.
And we're going to put it in a bowl.
Now, is it pretty easy to scoop it out that way?
Oh yeah, it comes out really easily.
Oh, awesome.
And we're just going to get it all out of here. Okay, and do the other one. Yeah, it just comes right out. Okay. And now we have our shells here. And some spaghetti.
Alright.
And we're going to mix our other ingredients into the spaghetti.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, now that Dave has emptied out our innards from our spaghetti squash, what we're going to go ahead and do is add 1/3 cup of sour cream to our mix, along with our crushed up bacon, mushroom, and garlic and spinach mixture.
Okay.
And I'm just going to go ahead and just mix this together here, just until it's combined. Oh, this really smells amazing. Can you smell from here, Dave?
Yeah.
There we go. I think we got it. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Alright, let's go ahead and move on then. Okay, now that we got everything mixed, what we're going to go ahead and do is take our mixture here and refill each of our shells from earlier. The aroma of these just smells really, really amazing. This is a definitely fun recipe. And what, fill it about?
Fill them both about the same amount. They'll go back and forth, I guess.
Yeah. Now you guys may be hearing some beeps in the background, but can't really tell you much about that right now because we don't like giving away too many secrets. But in time, everybody will know what's going on. So got a little bit that got away from me there.
Okay.
And then lastly, what we're going to go ahead and do before we pop these in the oven, I got some blue cheese crumble here.
Okay.
What we're going to go ahead and do is just top these really well with the blue cheese.
Okay.
I know my dad's probably salivating at this right now.
Oh yeah.
Because I know he likes his blue cheese, so.
Okay.
What do you think? A little bit more on each?
Yeah, a little bit more than a little one. There you go. That's more like it.
And what about on the
Just that's good. That's plenty.
Okay, and then we're going to pop these back in the oven here at our temperature. It was what, 400 degrees?
400. Mm-hmm.
For about 5 to 10 minutes till the cheese is melted.
best part of all, the taste test. I got a little bit in a bowl here. Let's see if I can get some out of it. Oh, that is delicious. The mushrooms are perfectly fried. A little bit of bacon, a little bit of blue cheese. You guys are gonna love it.
Wrapping up today, we want to thank you again for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Fox Solid Kitchen. We'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.